guys! My name is Teena, and today, as you can tell, my hair is very fixed. I did style it because it has been pretty healthy looking. So sabi ko, you know what? Time to fix my hair for a video. And today we will be talking about how to revive, how to fix, how to treat damaged hair. So I can personally attest to this video because I have gone through a lot with my hair. So in case you guys are wondering, how will you know if your hair is damaged already? Well, first of all, it's gonna be very dry. Secondly, maraming split ends. And third, wala, hindi na siya gumagalaw. So parang na siyang like, instead of like a, you know what I'm saying? And if you're also gonna ask me, how is your hair damaged? First of all, you can get it naturally. You can get it from the sun. Too much time outside. Yung init ng araw, syempre init pa rin yan. So that's still heat on our hair. Secondly, of course, styling. Once again, heat. Thirdly, hair dyeing. You're literally putting chemicals. Minamarinate nyo siya sa chemicals for like an hour or an hour and a half. I, like I said, have personally gone through a lot with my hair. I've been dyeing my hair ever since I was in third year high school, which was a really long time ago because I'm already 26, so you can just do the math. Yeah, my hair has gone through blonde, ginger, purple, green, pink, red, pink again, and then black. So every time after I color it, I go back to black and then wait for a year and then go back to dyeing it again, to like bleaching it and coloring it and then black again and then bleaching and color. It's a cycle for me, so my hair is very much, well, let's just say it hates me. So I have gone through a lot with trying to fix my damaged hair. And honestly, it comes to the point na parang tinanggap ko na lang na parang wala, damaged hair na talaga ako. I like the look anyways. Although I do actually like messy hair. But there's a certain point in your life where you go, it's not messy hair na lang eh. Parang, it's dead. Like, it's literally, it looks like a stick na parang, so with damaged hair, I always try to look for new ways to fix it. I always try to find remedies for it. I've tried coconut oil. Like overnight, ibababad niyo siya sa coconut oil. I've tried using hot oils as conditioners. Not even conditioners anymore. Talagang hot oil treatment na yung pinang-co-condition ko ng buhok ko. I've also tried using serums every single time after I shower or like wet my hair. I always use serums. I've tried treatments and everything. I really tried a lot to fix my hair. Like, it takes a really long time to try to achieve what kind of hair you like. After a while, and I enjoy mo yung certain hair look mo, like pretend yung pink hair ko, I super duper love it, but I'm still paying for it until now. And what I mean about that is the bleach that it went through to get that pink hair, for me to maintain that pink hair for months, like it's still here. It's just hidden with, you know, the dark color now, pero it's still very damaged. So most of the time, achieving the hair color or style that we want takes time, and often even longer trying to repair the damage, which sucks. Pero ganun talaga, that's just what happens with makeup, even with our face. Ganun talaga na minsan nakaka-pimple tayo trying to look pretty, but then that's just life. But we have to know how to use remedies for it. So luckily, Dove, one of the leading brands in the whole world for hair, parang ad, has made this new product called the 1 Minute Serum Conditioner.
So what is the 1 Minute Serum Conditioner?
Oh, I'm glad you asked. So basically, para siyang hot oil sa hair mo, but instead of soaking it in your hair for about 30 minutes to an hour, you only do it for a minute. I know it sounds crazy. I know it sounds like parang, but it actually works pretty well because I have tried it. And I wouldn't recommend anything to you guys naman if I haven't tried it. And I did try it and I have proof. Let me show you in a bit. So basically, this is what it looks like. This is the Dove 1 Minute Serum Conditioner. This one is in the Intense Repair. They have 3 kinds. The second one that they have is called the Hairful Rescue, which is my problem too. The third and last one that they have is the Nourishing Oil Care, which is for dry and frizzy hair, which is me also. O diba, napaka-perfect nitong mga serum na to sa akin dahil talagang ako yung damaged hair, ako yung weak and fragile hair, and ako rin yung dry and frizzy hair. So like, this is God sent Thank you so much, Dove. And if you guys are wondering, it is actually the first of its kind here in the Philippines na may serum conditioner. It's very different from other conditioners that I've tried. It's actually more moisturizing. I do have to say that. Napansin ko talaga yon. And what makes it moisturizing is that it has almond oil, argan oil, coconut oil, sunflower oil, and vitamin C all in one bottle. Ang galing. So, para talaga siyang treatment, pero 1 minute walang ginagawa. Which makes everything easier because everything we want in life now, basically, is everything fast-paced. So, if you're asking, paano mo naman na-hot oil yung sarili mo ng 1 minute? Let me tell you, hindi ko naman kayo pwede dalhin sa banyo, diba? Kasi, syempre, strict parents ko. So, syempre, pagdating mo sa shower, binasa mo yung sarili mo, inuna kong basain yung hair, tapos nag-shampoo ako, and then I put this on, and then I usually have a chok-chak, yung parang chok, yung ganon, or tali, or you just put it in a cap, whatever that you want. Basta, paglagay mo ng conditioner, ibababad mo lang siya dyan. Let it be, wag mong babasain. Tapos parang, wala. Conditioner ka lang, pero pabayaan mo lang siya sa buhok mo. After that, I go on with the rest of my body. And then I wash my face, and I'm pretty sure that's more than a minute actually. Pagbanlaw ko ng lahat, kasama rin ng hair. And guys, talagang yung tali na ginamit ko, talagang dumulas na lang talaga siya sa hair ko. And I have been trying a lot of like natural shampoos lately. So hindi masyadong moisturizing yung nagagamit ko recently. So nung ginamit ko to, I was parang medyo like renewed. Parang, oh my god, na-miss ko yung malambot na buhok. So I was very pleased. First impression ko pa lang, parang, basically, whatever I can do to help prepare my hair or help try to make it look decent or look alive, I'm game. I mean, come on, 1 minute lang of your day, like, it's not gonna take a lot of your time. Like what I always say with makeup, let's try to take care of our skin more, let's try to take care of our hair more than styling it or than putting makeup on our face. Kasi pag yan nawala na, alam mo yun, like, nakaka-stress. Like, our hair is so important. Like, to me, my hair is so important. Although, I know I've had a bad history of taking care of my hair. But since now we're older, we're wiser, and there are faster ways to help us take care of it. Why not, diba? Live and learn. You know, we get older, we get wiser. Okay, so now I'm gonna show you the before look of my hair. This is just air dried. Hindi ko siya pinatuyo with a blower. Hindi ko siya pinatuyo with an electric fan. As in talagang air dried lang siya. Like habang nag-edit ako, I just let it dry on its own. So this is what it normally looks like. It's very frizzy. It's very dry looking, like lalo na yung tips. And it's very poofy. I've always mentioned that I love volume on myself. But hindi kasi ito yung volume na flattering. So it's not really the best looking. I do have to always style it every day, which adds more damage to it. It's a domino effect. And then after using the 1 minute Dove Serum Conditioner, why am I saying it that way? I try to air dry it as well para fair, walang dayaan, walang ek-ek. So this is what it looks like. As you can tell, it's still pretty like messy a bit, like it's not the neatest hair, but there is a big difference of how cleaner it looks and how shiny it is and how more alive it looks. So parang medyo from double dead, medyo like nabuhay naman siya from the dead kahit papano. You can tell na my hair is not even straight all the way kasi yun talaga yung natural ko, medyo kulot talaga ako. Hindi ko talaga siya dinaya. Yan talaga yung itsura niya ng air dry lang. As in talagang napapansin ko nga nung natutoy, parang, oh my god, ang lambot. Like, even the way I run my fingers through my hair, it was so easy. There was no struggle. Wala masyadong tangle. Obviously, binrush ko siya after naligo ako kasi I have to, you know, detangle it. From then on, hindi ko na siya ginalaw, hindi ko na siya sinuklay. So, nung pagganong ko nung kamay ko, talagang smooth lang siya. So, nakakatuwa. Parang nasa commercial na parang, I love it when I see effects right away or in an instant. Sometimes I don't have the time to fix my hair or let's say like style my hair or straighten my hair. So it's nice to know that even if I just leave it to air dry, it will still look presentable. Lalo na, that's a struggle for me because I do have very, very damaged and frizzy hair. I'm still in my journey on trying to make it better, and hopefully I will find a way to also make my hair thicker, but that's another story. But for now, as the strands are concerned, it looks so much better. Even now that I've curled it, parang it's not as frizzy, it's not as like ganon, I don't know. Parang na static. Parang ganon kasi normally tsura ng hair ko eh. Wala lang. it's the simple changes makes me happy. Right after it dried, as pinahawak ko talaga siya sa family ko na, look, touch my hair, because they know how damaged my hair is and they were pretty pleased as well. Needless to say, my mom is gonna buy a lot because ganun siya talaga. Like, whatever I recommend to them, they always just buy it because they trust my opinion. So I hope you guys do. So there will be a launch this August 4th, which is when I upload this video. It'll be out for, like, you know, the general public on October 8th. So if you see this video past that date, then pretty much you can buy it anywhere now. So guys, watch out na lang sa Instagram ko because I will be announcing naman then how you can get these items first when it goes out, because it can be sold out pretty fast because it is Dove, and let's be honest, a lot of us use Dove. So yeah. Alam mo guys, kasi pag ang ganda ng hair mo, feeling mo ang ganda-ganda mo. So if you're going to try this and see the difference with your hair and you actually like it, which I'm pretty sure you will, don't forget to tag me para makita ko yung photo nyo, and use the hashtag DovePH and Dove1Minute. So that is pretty much it. I have nothing else to say. If you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. Kika of the day is right here. Congratulations. I love you so much. If you want to see more of my videos, then please don't forget to click the post notification button. Okay guys, thank you for watching, and with all that said, I want you guys to never forget that you are beautiful. Bye! God bless! Pew pew! I'm still not used to it. Bye!